Jethro with Timberwolf here. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit less glamorous. We got all this firewood here. We got a lot of sawdust, dirt, debris, and stuff in it. And because of the uptick in processor sales this year, we have quite a lot more split firewood than we've ever had. Usually we burn it for the shop, but this year we're going to actually have to prepare some for resale. So as you can see, there's sawdust, dirt, debris, and all that. And if you look over here, there's some push-up from plowing up here, keeping the snow off, some firewood, and big old dirt pile. We're going to be running all this through the AutoFine, so I'm going to get this cleaned up, and within the next couple days we're going to be running all this through the AutoFine, getting ready for sale. hopefully on Friday we have a little bit of time to, weather permitting, to actually run through this firewood and get ready for sale. I mean, we got a lot of bark and debris around here to run through that AutoFine, so as long as we get time, we'll have a good video for you. In case you didn't notice this grapple right here, we actually built this grapple, and the boss man says I can't sell any. So, if any of you would like to purchase one, I will sell it to you. Just don't tell the boss.